In a quiet town, a logistics clerk quits the 9 to 5 to open a small repair studio fixing old gadgets. He learns hands-on skills from free online courses and sources parts from thrift shops to keep costs low. Neighbors bring broken radios and bikes, joining workshops that turn waste into useful tools and shared pride. The town council funds a storefront, proving that alternative paths can spark local resilience. Sam's pivot shows how curiosity, practical skills, and community support create sustainable careers and stronger towns.